Multiplication. Math concepts made simple. Multiplication. Crabtree Publishing Company. I don't know if Ann Becker is the student or the author. I guess we'll find out. Well, yes, it is the author. See, it says it right there in tiny print, Ann Becker. I like the smell of this book. It has one of those old book smells. And those of you who like those smells know exactly what I'm talking about. It's either an old book or a new book. Which one is it, Miss Spears? I am recording. It's okay, they'll enjoy this. What do you think? Is it a new book or an old book smell?
Well, my nose is not over there. I'm 10 feet away.
Oh, well, whatever smell it is, it's a nice smell.
I'd rather smell a book than a computer.
Alright guys, get cooking. Kim and his mom bake together. They will bake treats for a party. Kim's mom uses 2 eggs for a normal cake, but many people are coming to the party. Kim and his mom are baking a big cake. This cake needs 3 times as many eggs. Kim starts to count eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kim's mom tells him it is easier to multiply. She will show him how. Kim learns to multiply while he bakes. Skip counting. Kim's mom tells Kim that multiplying is adding a number to itself. She asks, "Can you skip count?" Kim nods his head. Kim's mom shows him that multiplication is just like skip counting. Each group has 2 eggs, so we skip count by 2s. We have 3 groups, so only skip count 3 times. Okay, this is 2, 4, 6. We have 6 eggs, says Kim. His mom smiles. You just multiplied 3 times 2. See how I got 2, 4, 6 using skip counting? Kim skip counts by 2. He counts 6 eggs. We have a little fact box here. The word times tells us how many times to add a number to itself. It also tells us that we are multiplying. Adding and multiplying. Kim looks at the carton of eggs. He wonders. He asks his mom if he can find the answer another way. Yes, you can, his mom says. They look at the egg carton. She shows Kim the addition problem. They add 2 to itself 6 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then Kim's mom adds the carton sideways, turns the carton sideways. They add up the number of eggs again. This time they add 6 to itself 2 times. 6 plus 6 equals 12. The answer is the same. So you see, they have the carton facing this way. Take this carton, they have it facing this way, and they have it in groups of these 2. See, so it's 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. You add them all up, it equals 12. Then they turn the carton this way, which looks like this, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 here, and 6 here. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's why no matter which way you turn it, and in whichever groups you try to count it, it's still going to equal 12. Then Kim's mom turns, oh, we already did that, sorry. Here's the fact box. Multiplication is adding the same number again and again. This is called repeated addition. Kim tries multiplication as repeated addition. Arrays. A carton of eggs looks like an array. Each column is an array, each column in an array is a group. Each group has the same amount. We can use the array to write the multiplication problem. Kim writes the addition problem. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 12. Kim's mom writes the multiplication problem. She uses a symbol called a multiplication sign. It looks like this. So let's read what this little stuff here says. How many groups does Kim see? 6. How many in each group? 2. So you see she sees 6 and she sees them in each group as 2. number of groups, which was 6, number of items in each group, which was 2. 6 times 2 equals the total 12. Here's an activity box. Look at this array. What multiplication problem does it show? Now that Kim knows how to write a multiplication problem, you should know how to do it. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's your turn. Can we figure out what we need to with this? Well, when we did it in this part, we knew that there was 2 of each of the groups. Then there was 6 in this direction. So that means we can do it the same way. So we can do, let's see, there's 3 here, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So we're going to have 4 times 3. Who thinks they know the answer? Hopefully that gave you enough time to answer. The answer should be 4 times 3 is 12. Let's see if we're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Kim's mom turns the egg carton sideways. She has made a new array. So she turns this one, the old one, this way. Kim's mom asks Kim to write the multiplication problem. 2 times 6 equals 12. Number of groups was 2, number of items in each group was 6, and our total became 12. Multiply by 5 and 10. Kim's mom asks Kim to multiply 5 times 3. Kim now knows there are different ways to find the answer. He can skip count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. He can add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15. He can make an array, so 5 times 3 equals 15. He says 5 times 3 equals 15. His mom says he is right. Kim's mom asks Kim to multiply 4 times 10. He can skip count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40. He can add 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 40. So 10 times 4 equals 40, Kim says. 10 times 4 equals 40. Here's our fact box. Multiplying a number by 10 is simple. Add a 0 to the end of it. That's a trick. Kim can multiply to find how many cookies he made. Multiply by 3. Kim looks at the next batch of cookies. He tries multiplying by 3. He multiplies 3 times 4. He can skip count by 4s. 4, 8, 12. He can add 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. He can make an array. So 3 times 4 equals 12, Kim says. 3 times 4 equals 12. Kim's mom turns the tray sideways. Then she asks, "What is 4 times 3? Kim says, 4 times 3 equals 12. Then he writes 4 times 3 equals 12. Kim made 3 times 4 cookies. How many cookies did he make? 3 times 4 we know is 12. Let's count and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and he's holding number 12. Multiplication words. Next, Kim's mom teaches Kim the special words to use when he does multiplication problems. She calls the numbers that Kim multiplies factors. She calls the answer the product. Kim's mom writes a multiplication problem on a piece of paper. She asks Kim to label the factors and the product. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 is our factor, 4 is our other factor, and the product, which is the answer, is 8. Kim's mom reminds Kim that times means to multiply. The words multiplied by also means times. Let's look at our activity box. What multiplication problem does the picture of muffins show? What are the factors? What is the product? I'm going to give you a little moment to try to solve this. Here's our picture of muffins. let's find out our factors. We have 1, 2, 3, which is one factor. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is our other factor. So 3 times 7 gives us our answer, which is our product. I'm going to give you a second, or you can pause the video. The answer is 3 times 7 is 21. Let's see if we counted correctly, or if we multiplied correctly. So the product should be 21 if we did it correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We did it. Multiplication rules. Kim is excited to learn more about multiplication. His mom gives him a list of 3 simple rules to help him solve other multiplication problems. Any number multiplied by 1 has a product of that number. And don't forget, product means answer of a multiplication, of 2 factors of multiplication. So 1 times 7 equals 7. 4 times 1 equals 4. 100 times 1 equals 100. Any number multiplied by 0 has a product of 0, or answer of 0. 0 times 8 equals 0. 9 times 0 equals 0. 100 times 0 equals 0. Numbers can be multiplied in any order. The answer stays the same. 6 times 2 equals 12. 3 times 7 equals 21. 2 times 6 equals 12. 7 times 3 equals 21. So 3 times 7 and 7 times 3 both equals 21. 6 times 2 and 2 times 6 both equals 12. 1 times 7 equals 7. This is one group of 7 muffins. 0 times 8 equals 0. This is 0 groups of cookies. 6 times 2 equals 12. And 2 times 6 equals 12. So no matter which way you turn the carton, it's still going to be 12 eggs. A piece of cake. Kim thinks multiplication is easy, so his mom gives him 2 problems to try. Get a piece of paper and pencil. You can multiply 2. What is the product of 2 times 7? And remember, we said earlier that product is another way to say the answer when you multiply 2. What is the product of 2 times 7? I'm going to give you a second to answer the question. 7 times 2 is 14. Let's see if we are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Awesome. What is 3 times 10? I'll give you a second to answer the question. One of the tricks from earlier in the book we learned is anything multiplied by 10, you just add a 0. So the answer should be 30. Let's see if we're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We were correct. Kim likes baking and multiplying with his mom. The end. Multiplication.